Hello and welcome to Back Paddock. Today we're going to look at how to rerun some samples for a new recommendation with a new crop. So let's say I've got some samples here that I've created a cotton recommendation for, but I want to have a look and see how they would go with a wheat crop. So what we want to do is go to the lab results screen and find the barcodes that you want to rerun and then click on the associated order. So I'm going to click on this order number here. And I'm going to change all of these ones to the evaluation tables that I want to see. So I might do a barley one. And we also want to do any associated subsoils. And the reason I like to do it in here, let me just find my barley ET. There we go, subsoil constraints. The reason I like to do it in the order instead of just starting a new recommendation is that it means that I can select all of my subsoil samples as well as my top samples at the same time. And it's a lot faster as well. So I'm just going to hit save on that order now, confirm, and wait for it to save. Excellent. And I'm going to close window out of that one. Now I want to click on the generate recommendation icon for that profile. And I'm going to give it a name. So we are going to do this one, barley test. Expand this one out. Click on next, and you can see my evaluation table has changed. It was previously cotton and now it's barley. So just click on next. Enter any additional information. So what have I got here? Harvest date, the end of year, that is all fine. I've got my ETs selected for my two subsamples, which is what I want. I've got a target yield. I'm happy with all of that for now. So I'm just going to click through and finish this recommendation. And then as it does, it'll take a few seconds to load. So if I jump back into the evaluation section here, I can see that I've got colors associated for all three of my samples in this profile, which means they're all contributing to the evaluation. I could, of course, jump into grain end plan and create a full recommendation for this. So I can add products. I can do all of the usual things. If I just want to save and close out of this one, and I'm going to close out of the lab test results page and jump into the recommendations page. You can see I do now have two recommendations for this same sample here. So that is the goal. You can repeat that as many times as you need to run the same sample series for different crop types. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.